Once, there lived a mother duck by the lake. She had laid 4 eggs. One day, the eggs started to crack and out came 3 pretty yellow ducklings. From the 4th egg, one big ugly duckling came out. That's strange, thought Mother Duck. The 4th duckling looked different from his brothers and sisters. Nobody wanted to play with him.
Go away,
said his brothers and sisters.
You're ugly, and we do not want to play with you.
The ugly duckling was sad. So he set out to find some new friends.
Go away,
said the turtle, the fish, the bird, and the frog. The poor ugly duckling had no friends. He was sad, cold, and alone. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful birds in the sky and said, "I wish I was beautiful like them." A few months later, spring arrived. The ugly duckling visited the pond again. He bent down to drink some water. Instead of his own ugly reflection, he saw a beautiful white bird. "Wow, who's that?" he exclaimed.
You are one of us,
said a beautiful white swan who was watching him from afar.
a beautiful swan.
The moral: do not judge anyone by the way they look.